What's visible on screen here is the Arlo Pro 6th generation, the latest iteration of Arlo's flagship wireless security camera, released in late 2025. At first glance, the camera maintains the compact, rounded design that Arlo has used across previous generations. The white shell blends into most outdoor surfaces without drawing attention, and installation remains tool-free with a magnetic mount system. The video output is 2K HDR at a 160-degree field of view. During daylight, footage appears detailed and color accurate. At night, an integrated spotlight combined with Arlo's Color Night Vision filter allows the camera to capture details like clothing color and facial features in low light, an improvement over earlier infrared-only night modes. One thing that stands out is the battery improvement. Arlo claims roughly 15% more battery life over the previous Pro 5S, along with a shift to USB-C charging for easier cable management. A low-power mode extends runtime further for always-on monitoring needs. The AI system, called Arlo Intelligence, adds person recognition, vehicle recognition, and custom event detection. Users can train the system to identify specific people from their photo gallery or flag particular objects and scenarios. Premium features including 60-day cloud storage, smart detections, and 24/7 emergency response require a paid subscription after the included one-month trial. Overall, this appears to be one of the more capable wireless security cameras in its category. For those already in the Arlo ecosystem, the upgrade seems meaningful. New buyers should factor the ongoing subscription cost into the full ownership experience.